Boost Mobile offers AutoPay to automatically deduct payments, preventing service interruptions. As of 2025, you can easily disable AutoPay via the Boost Mobile app, website, or IVR phone system. Disabling AutoPay is free and typically takes effect instantly. Remember that after disabling AutoPay, you'll need to make manual payments to avoid service disruptions. Boost sends notifications 24 hours before scheduled AutoPay charges. Start with the Boost mobile app, which is the fastest method. Open the app and log into your account. Navigate to the Account or Billing section. Select AutoPay and toggle it off. Confirm the change with your PIN or biometrics. Next, use the web portal. Sign in at boostmobile.com. Navigate to My Account, then Billing and Payments. Go to AutoPay settings and disable it. Save the changes. Finally, use IVR by calling 1-866-402-7366. Press 1 for account options. Press 2 for billing. Press 3 for AutoPay, then 4 to disable it. Verify your account details.